What's that sound? That's right, it's bowling right here at Bellbrook High School. This week, we got the opportunity to speak with the new coach, Eric Wagner, who takes on the first ever bowling team at Bellbrook, making it our 26th and 27th varsity sport.
Expectations for this year are just trying to get the kids to come out to the program, learn a new sport, and try to get them to be able to do something that they could do long term, because bowling is one of those things that you can do for your whole life. Trying to get them to just have fun and something new and exciting is really the biggest thing. I know wins and losses is one thing, but if the kids are out having fun, that's the most important thing.
Coach Wagner started the bowling program at Piqua in 2005 and coached at West Carrollton and Tippecanoe in the recent past. Having someone who started a program from the ground up is certainly helpful. Wagner knows exactly what to look for in novice bowlers and discussed who he expects to lead the way this season.
I would expect Jack DeWitt he led our tryout. He did really well. And Gabriel Lease, he did really well also. Tyler Duffy is one that will be someone to watch also this year. So the girls, Madeline Skiles, she came out. She was our highest qualifier for the girls. And Lillian Carrion was our second highest on the girls. It seems like all the girls are same ability. And so getting them to really learn a new sport and get them hooking the ball and learning how to bowl will be key. But so far they have done great at during practices and tryouts, taking all the information in from me and my assistants, and they keep improving every practice I see.
We're happy to have Wagner and his staff, which includes former altar coach Bob Kemp, as well as volunteers Al and Kathy Ostrowski. Make sure to make it out to a match this season. In fact, the team's first home match is against Xenia on November 24th at Beaverview Lanes.